Hey, you guys. So I wanted to just get on here just for a um, quick minutes and just let you guys know about the energy that I am kind of feeling. And this started about yesterday, so it's like an opening of it's open portal. Um, for a lot of us, we are in different places in our journey, so a lot of different messages, but uh, the one overall, which is the one that I am feeling, and it's creeping up, it's kind of brewing, right? But what I've been feeling is that we are going to be getting a reality check, right? Um, and this reality check is literally going to be right in front of your face. You're going to be pinned, against the wall. And there's nowhere else to run because you're literally pinned against the wall. The only thing is that you're going to try to look the other way, and it's very hard to ignore this reality check, right? It's gonna feel kind of shaky. It's gonna give you that sense of that, what is that word that I want to say? You're gonna be very intimidated by this reality check. And it is basically by the choices that you made. But it's not gonna be bitten or, you know, around the bush, beat up around the bush. Nope, nope, not at all. It's literally gonna show you what needs to be shaken. So when this comes up, it's nothing to fear. Like I said, you will be getting intimidated, but just remember that you are strong, and I see that we are gonna look at it because there's no other choice. It feels very much like that it's not a choice. That this reality check is something that needs to happen. Okay, but this is gonna bring a lot of things up to the surface, right? So that's one of the messages that I have. The other is that for a lot of us, we are living in the moment, right? And I think that we are getting faced, because in every person, there's a spiritual war going on. And as much as we want to see that it's outside, but it's what we feel inside, and that's what manifests outside, right? I mean, it's more deeper than this, right? But it always starts with you, okay? But with some people that they are in their phase of right now is that they are having these spiritual warfares, right? But it's knowing that it's it's a lost battle between the darkness and the light. The light is that you are choosing the higher road. And before it was something that was very kind of difficult for you, but now you're seeing in this, it's not even a run for your money, right? It's not even, you're not giving it a time a day, right? So we're moving and we're evolving as, as the more we raise our consciousness, right? For what I see is that we are definitely, when we do this, we are just not fighting our ego anymore. The ego had a lot of part in all this, right? Even with little things, right? But I'm seeing a lot that our main goal is to be balanced with oneself and be just in the moment and not fight the feeling that you have within yourself, and see it for what it is. If that's love that comes up, that's love that comes up. And it's not something that you can hide or deny anymore, or postpone it, or just be a poker face, right? It's a little bit, it's out of the box. Let me just tell you something like that. What the other type of energy that is really brewing up, and I think it's just here in general now, but I think the days to come, is judgment, right? Not only judgment on us, but a lot of judgment on others. And just remember, when you do have this type of judgment call on others, know that that is a reflection of yourself. And I think that is going to trigger you most, because that's something that you see yourself in that other person. And that's just going to bring back the trigger to yourself. And to transmute this, you have to feel this energy, right? And at times, you really would not want to, because that's something that you probably wanted to really hid and really ignore that part of you. You can say that that is the shadow side of you, but admitting and accepting is one of the biggest things that you can do. I know that it's difficult for a lot of us to admit to our shadow side, right? And it's going to be, it takes baby steps, like I said. It will take baby steps, but know that you will get through this. You're basically breaking these barriers that you have created. All right, you guys. If you like, share, subscribe. You can follow me also on TikTok and on Instagram. All right. Thank you. Namaste.